Welcome to my YouTube channel. 2024 Honda Rebel 300, the perfect blend of style and performance. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300 has quickly established itself as a standout in the entry-level motorcycle segment. Known for its combination of style, performance, and ease of handling, this model continues to attract both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts alike. The 2024 Rebel 300 boasts a minimalist, modern design that exudes a sense of ruggedness. Its sleek, bobber-inspired look is highlighted by a low-slung stance, a compact fuel tank, and a striking, blacked-out finish. The clean lines and subtle curves contribute to a visually appealing motorcycle that's both contemporary and classic. The LED headlamp and compact tail light add to its modern aesthetics, ensuring that the Rebel 300 stands out, whether parked or in motion. Under the hood, the Rebel 300 is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine delivers a respectable 27 horsepower and 20.2 pounds-to-feet of torque, making it perfect for city commutes and weekend rides. Its smooth power delivery and manageable weight contribute to a confidence-inspiring riding experience. The 2024 model features a 6-speed transmission that allows for smooth gear transitions, enhancing the overall ride quality. The chassis of the Rebel 300 is designed for nimbleness and stability. The low seat height of just 27.2 inches makes it accessible for riders of various heights, while the well-tuned suspension provides a comfortable ride over different road conditions. The bike's handling is further enhanced by its lighter weight frame, which allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces and during low-speed turns. Honda has designed the Rebel 300 with rider comfort in mind. The low, scooped seat not only enhances the bike's aesthetic appeal but also ensures that riders can reach the ground easily, instilling confidence in new riders. The ergonomics are well suited for a variety of riding styles, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating urban streets. The minimalist design also means fewer distractions, allowing riders to focus on the road ahead. The 2024 Rebel 300 is equipped with a range of features that enhance both safety and convenience. The bike comes with an easy-to-read LCD instrument panel that displays essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip data. The inclusion of a standard anti-lock braking system, ABS, offers added safety, especially in slippery conditions. Additionally, the Rebel 300 features a dual-channel ABS system that provides reliable stopping power, ensuring that riders have the confidence to handle various riding situations. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300 is a testament to Honda's commitment to delivering high-quality, approachable motorcycles. Its blend of stylish design, impressive performance, and rider-friendly features makes it an ideal choice for those looking to enter the world of motorcycling or for experienced riders seeking a reliable and fun bike. With its attractive pricing and comprehensive feature set, the Rebel 300 continues to be a compelling option in the entry-level motorcycle market. Whether you're a new rider or someone looking for a versatile and stylish motorcycle, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 is worth serious consideration.